Construction is evolving at lightning speed, combining technology and innovation to reshape the way we build. Let's dive into the advanced methods that are revolutionizing the industry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in construction technology. 3D printing is taking construction to the next level. Using concrete, polymers, and even recycled materials, it creates structures layer by layer, cutting costs, reducing waste, and speeding up construction timelines. Homes, offices, and even bridges have been built using this groundbreaking method. Modular construction involves assembling buildings from factory-made units or modules transported to the site. This method ensures higher precision, reduces labor needs, and shortens project timelines significantly. Self-healing concrete uses bacteria or other chemical reactions to repair cracks as they form, increasing durability and reducing maintenance costs for roads, bridges, and buildings. Drones provide aerial imaging for site surveys, monitor construction progress, and inspect hard-to-reach areas. They save time, reduce risks, and enhance precision in project management. Smart technologies like building information modeling and augmented reality streamline design and project coordination. Autonomous machines and AI-driven systems optimize workflows and improve safety. Sustainability is at the core of advanced construction. From green buildings with solar panels and living walls to materials made from recycled waste, the industry is focused on reducing its environmental footprint. Advanced construction methods are more than just innovation. They're shaping the future of how we live, work, and connect. The future is being built today. Super discover the future of construction. Like, share, and subscribe.